Hello and welcome to the Side by Side We Ride YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on a virtual tour of the Crossbar Ranch Off-Road Park in Davis, Oklahoma. But before we get started, we'd like to give a special shout out to our sponsors, Planet Side by Side, America's Oasis, MTS Off-Road, and Graphics Guys Motorsports. Their support makes all of this possible. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment below. Now let's talk about Crossbar Ranch. This off-road park is a paradise for any off-road enthusiast. With over 6,500 acres of diverse terrain, it's the largest off-road park in Oklahoma. The park offers a variety of trails for every skill level and allows all types of off-road vehicles. The park has hundreds of miles of trail system that seems to go on forever. And after a long day of riding, you can relax in their on-site camping and restrooms. At the entrance, you'll find a gift shop stocked with a variety of merchandise. If you plan on frequenting the park, consider purchasing an annual pass. Crossbar Ranch hosts numerous events throughout the year. Some of the crowd favorites include the Great American Crawl, Side-by-Side Spring Hootenanny, Side-by-Side Fall Hoedown, and Mega Run. And for those looking for a challenge, Crossbar Ranch has got you covered. Test your machine and mental toughness on obstacles like Rockface, Hell's Gate, Dead Man's Slide, and Screen Door. The park is open 24/7, allowing for night riding. However, do note that it closes for a few weeks during hunting season. The entry fee is affordable, costing $10 per day for kids aged 15 and under, and $20 for those aged 16 and up. To make your visit smoother, especially on busy holiday and event weekends, you can book online before your arrival. Don't forget to sign the waiver to expedite the entry process. The park is conveniently located a little over an hour from Oklahoma City and just 2 hours from the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. While enjoying the park, remember to be courteous. The speed limit in the camping areas is 10 miles per hour, and on the main road, it's 20 miles per hour. So, that's a sneak peek of what Crossbar Ranch has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep riding.